Welcome. Today we will be installing the Laundry Boss system on a green LED Dexter dryer. First, you will acquire a Dexter key, unlock the display, and pull the display from the machine. Once we have accessed the display panel, we are going to attach the coin wires. We are going to be using the red black wire and the red green wire in the first 4-pin plug closest to the front of the board. If these are hard to differentiate, please make sure that you connect the green wire to pin 1 and the blue wire to pin 2. Next, we are going to apply crimp tabs to both wires. Make sure, as you are applying the crimp tabs to the wires, that they are moving freely to ensure a good connection. Next, we will insert the green wire into the tap that is connected to the red and black wire and squeeze it flush. Insert the blue into the tap connected to the red and green wire and squeeze it flush. And close the taps. Next, you will locate the power wires on P3. You will connect to this black wire right here and this white wire right here. Place a crimp tap on both the black and white wire. Make sure they slide up and down the wire to allow for a good connection. Insert the blue wire into the crimp tap with the white wire. Squeeze down on the tap and make sure it is flush. As these wires are thicker, make sure to give them an extra squeeze and make sure that they are secure. Put the brown wire in the crimp tap that is connected to the black wire. Make sure to squeeze it flush. Then close the top. Now we will fix the 24-pin to the Laundry Boss MIB. Then insert the MIB into the machine and attach it to the side. Then take the transformer and attach that as well. Make sure to tie up your wires so that they do not interfere with the coin mechanism.